Alrighty, good morning,
Good morning.
fourth graders. So today we're gonna learn. Alrighty, today we're gonna learn about fossils and the layers in the earth. So we're gonna do a group project today for the purpose of our time here and limited stuff. Originally we're gonna normally the kids are gonna do either they're gonna pick between a slideshow, poster, or make a model. You guys are gonna make a poster.
With the
So-
partner. With the partners today.
Okay. So first, before we begin, have you guys ever been to a museum and see different colors of layers, like in rocks? How do you guys think that happens?
Erosion. Oh, we have no supposed to.
Nature, pretty much. So it's different ages. So the lower the rock, the older it is. When it keeps building, that means the rocks keep building onto it. So the different color of layer is a different time, area, of time. Do you want to do that one?
What do the different colors in the ground represent? Why are different colors in the ground? Oh, sorry. How do fossils get too deep in the ground?
From wind. Rain.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Good job.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some pictures of what this looks like. Did you hold it? Okay, so you see how these are all different colors? Pretty cool. And then this is in a canyon. So how canyons grow is more layers of rocks go onto it, and so it builds up. Just look at these pictures. Do you guys see how different fossils can be deeper? Now, how did we say that happens?
Wind and rain.
Good. And what does it mean when the lower the fossil?
It's older.
The older it is. Good. Here's another example of a fossil. Alrighty, let me get to our video here.
What are fossils? What if I told you this little rock is like a time machine? Fossils are incredible clues that help us travel back millions, sometimes even billions of years. A fossil is the preserved remains or traces of something that was once alive, like a dinosaur bone, a leaf imprint, or even a seashell. Most fossils form through a process called permineralization. When a plant or animal dies, its soft parts usually decay. That means it breaks down and rots away. But its hard parts, like bones, teeth, or shells, can get buried by mud or sand. Over millions of years, minerals seep into those hard parts, turning them into stone. Fossils give scientists clues about what life was like long, long ago. And they aren't just for dinosaurs. We have found fossils of giant insects, ancient fish, and even plants that no longer exist. These type of scientists are called paleontologists. They study fossils to figure out what creatures ate, how they moved, and even how they looked. Sometimes they compare fossils to animals we see today. Did you know that by studying the bone structures of dinosaurs, scientists believe they are the ancient ancestors of chickens? Wait, that must be why I love chicken nuggets in the shape of dinosaurs. And it may sound gross, but even poop fossils help us understand what ancient creatures ate. Scientists call it coprolite. Fossils aren't just bones. Sometimes we find trace fossils, which are not actual bones or shells, but impressions left behind, like footprints or burrows. Fossils are like puzzle pieces from the past, helping us understand Earth's history. They tell us about ancient animals, plants, and even climates. They also help us understand how life on Earth changes over time. By studying them, we can learn how species adapt to new environments, how ecosystems recover after disasters, and maybe even how to protect our planet today. And you don't have to be a paleontologist to discover fossils. They can be found all over the world, on beaches, in deserts, and even in your own backyard. So next time you see a cool rock, take a closer look. It might just be a tiny piece of Earth's ancient history waiting to be discovered.
So now you guys have a worksheet in front of you. You're going to fill it out and I'll roll the answers when you're done.
When you're done, set your pencil down and put a thumb up. Make sure our names are on our papers.
Okay, now that everybody's done, we'll go over the answers. Number 1, it says, which rock layer is the oldest? Who can tell me which one's the oldest? By raising their hand. Yes,
Number 6,
correct. Why do you think number 6?
because it's the bottom layer.
Exactly right. Number 2, it says, millions of years ago, this area was covered by ocean. Which rock layer shows this time period? Yes,
Number 5,
exactly right. Why do you say that?
because it has like evidence of like fish
Mhm.
and seashells.
Yeah. Number 3 says, in which layer of rock are scientists mostly likely to find a shark fossil? Yes,
Number 5.
exactly right. Yeah. Number 4 says, in which 2 layers of rock do you not see any evidence of living organisms? Yes,
4 and 2.
correct. Number 5 says, dinosaurs used to roam this land before it was covered by ocean. When did dinosaurs live on this land? Kind of a hard question. Yes,
230 million years ago.
good job. Yes. Next question is number 6. Scientists think this land was also used to be covered by large plants. Looking at the fossils, when do you think this was? Yes,
50 million years ago.
correct. Now we're gonna work on our posters.
Yep, so we're gonna do posters now. You guys are gonna be in a group of 2 or 3, and you guys have your posters. Please, if you need more room for a poster, ask for more. There will be big posters in your life. If you would like to share a color with a friend, you ask to trade. Okay? So I'm gonna have you three group together and you two go together. So you guys can use your computers and look stuff up if you would like. Let us know if you have any questions. We will be walking around, okay? At the end of class, we're gonna all present these.
Okay, sorry, I wasn't listening. Are posters like of different layers then?
You can either do different layers or you can make a fossil. But if you want to look stuff up and put your own definitions in it so that a way that you'll understand it, do that. We want this to be something that you learn, something that you have learned on your own.
And you will have test on us on Monday, so please make sure you understand.
You guys can use my computer if you want.
We're each doing our own.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm asking.
You
Are we gonna draw it?
We do it together so that the one dude can go a little faster. But I just want to like take these
How about you?
together. The person over there wasn't there, so I can just
Let me know if you need help.
Okay, so we'll just use. So you can like pretend that these are like all together. To make like a big poster. You would like. I can go see if he's there to show. Wait, there was someone in there tonight. I know when I walked by at first they were there, but then when I walked by just now, I went.
You do one big one?
Yeah.
That's the idea of that. You can do fossils on one, you can do rock layers on one.
That's okay. Ones are easy to draw.
Yeah, different kinds of fossils, like a shark fossil, fish fossil.
What about you? Can make some of your colors and do it together.
Okay, so you just want to do one big
What are you thinking about over here?
She's like thinking we're doing it.
Different types of fossils? Good.
I'm not good at drawing either. Are you good at drawing?
You don't have to necessarily draw, you can also write about them, if you wanted to. But you will be presenting this at the end of class, so make sure
This is
what
your
you're
exit
doing.
ticket, kind of.
You understand.
Okay. I am no artist, so please don't judge.
It's okay.
You're a fourth grader,
You're
it's
fourth
fine.
grader, we won't send you to.
You're ready.
No fourth graders, really.
My abilities in fourth grade were just as good as my abilities now.
It's okay.
I took 3 years of art, whatever this is.
I think I put that in
That's
the
easy to
shell.
draw.
Shell? Oh,
Because
sorry,
those are in the ocean.
I didn't realize we were doing a shell.
Perfect. Yeah.
That's okay, leave that there. I just thought it was fun.
It sounds like it.
And then if you know what animal it is,
Yeah.
label it so that we can discuss it.
Literally.
Okay.
What are we thinking about over here? Shells. There we go.
Okay, ask for land and then give me that can work too.
Yeah.
It's
Fish. You got fish, animal, fossils.
I'll give you guys about 10 minutes.
And then we'll present them. Front facts.
Do I need to look anything up? Or do you need me to do anything? Feel like I'm just sitting here.
Learn how to do different colors. That's smart.
I'm gonna pick a
How do you know?
This is what the fossil
Need help.
heart shape. Thank you.
Ooh, I like how you do that.
I'm using my artistic ability.
Yeah.
Draw another shell.
Oh, that clock like doesn't even work.
Yeah, we really threw us off the other day.
Oh, yeah.
This is not good looking shell. You know what? And it has the word shell above it, so. She's thirsty.
I'm parched. It's looking really good.
Hey, crab. Or
Could you do
what?
a little?
No, not crab. What do you call it?
Coral wouldn't be that bad.
It's not
I'm
scorpion.
just gonna throw out a suggestion. Why don't, with all these colors, someone make different layers? You have to finish like layers of
Yeah,
that.
we could just do like a
Earth. You know how we saw those rocks? Someone could do that.
Should we do 3 layers?
do just like fish on one layer.
Has creepy little crawly legs. That's so creepy. I don't know how I'm supposed to draw the legs.
That'll be okay. Just pretend that I'm there.
I don't know how the tail legs. I don't know.
What are you guys doing over here?
None of them have names,
Kinda
it's
looks like a
fossils.
stingray.
Perfect.
And this one's a fish. It's got little teeth rays.
I'm gonna follow you. And scorpion. Interesting.
I don't know how to draw fish.
It looks good.
You finding some interesting facts over here?
Some do.
Yeah.
I was sunfish bit my belly button and I started bleeding. You cannot tell me that fish
It
don't.
doesn't even show you.
Well, we'll just have to guess.
Such an odd place to bite.
Mm-hmm.
Belly button.
If a guy's not wearing a shoe, do you go for everything?
Let's make sure we have some color on here too. Have some color.
Pink shell, but it's a fossil, so it doesn't have color.
Well, but then people can see it better when you present to the flash.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
I see that. I see this. Okay. I don't know how to do any other anything.
Okay, you got about 5 minutes.
Okay, you have to be done. Let's present whatever you have. Ah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. We're asking your partner. Okay, Marcus.
I can trade you for.
Don't forget to put our names on the back of our posters.
Should we do blue coral?
Or should we like? We could, but what?
Are we gonna like color the background?
The background? Oh, yeah.
We make my face like blue.
It's a two.
You take it. You guys can finish it with fish because I don't know what's going on with that. I drew ribs and I was like, okay, that's it. Do what you want. It does not matter to me.
That's a big bone fish.
Try your best, they'll be okay.
It ate well. Prehistoric fish. Prehistoric fish had a lot more fish in the sea than there are now. People weren't fishing as much.
I'm gonna use those I
Yeah.
Just color him. I'll make black so he can sleep.
Hostess nothing to do, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys are
I'm just
very
gonna draw that.
artistic.
We'll give you a couple estimates in here.
What? Sorry.
Very artistic.
Oh, theirs is cute. They're artists.
What are you looking
We're not cheating. You copied our plans.
I can believe how
Didn't you guys have science at first?
No?
Yeah.
Like for our thing.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I never realized.
Y'all have it, guys.
That's okay, that's good.
Yeah, make sure to know facts about your fossils that you're writing so you can show them when you come up to the front.
We're artists.
Yes.
Or if you just have a random fact about layers or fossils.
Good. That purple pink.
Exactly right. Good.
These little weird little fish things you keep talking about.
Good
It's
job.
a land fish.
Oh, I could. You're the girl that fish.
A land fish.
Just write down the fish fossil.
This one is a
Hey, you want to take it?
You don't care. Let's do
Five pumpkin facts.
coelacanthal. We're not gonna do that one. I can't pronounce it.
crazy. That's actually terrifying. Imagine having fish that.
These are really hard words to pronounce.
I guess
It's okay.
there's other.
Coelacanth.
Spell it.
Coelacanth.
I'll give you a couple more minutes and then we're gonna present your posters for our class.
Yeah, I don't know.
And all the animal fossils. Okay.
Okay, thumbs up if we're close to done.
There's no idea. I'm gonna say NN. I have no idea. Looks cool.
Okay, if we're done, let's close our computers and clean up a little. Thank you.
Who's there now? Them extra tickets.
My group of 2, how much longer do you guys need?
We're done.
You done? Okay, go ahead and pick up your animal a little.
Who wants to do that first?
Thanks for picking it up.
You guys wanna go first? Okay, I want you guys to stand up and tell us about the poster.
Yeah. Okay, so we did layers of the ocean, like fossils in the ocean. The first one we did was like fossils of shells, and the actual name for fossil shells is Planospiral. The next one we did was the fish fossil, and that is called the coelus. I don't even know how to say that. We just coelacanth. Yeah, coelacanth. Yeah.
Okay, and then the last one, which would be the oldest layer, is a coral fossil, and its scientific name is called the Favosite.
Good, thank you. Okay, you guys ready?
Okay. This is animal fossils. Sorry. I realized that I wasn't supposed to draw this one, but I thought it looked cool. And I don't know what it is. So anyway, and then this one is, they don't know for sure, but it says a scorpion. So, and it has like creepy little crawlies under the shell. It is so creepy to look at. And then this is called landfish. And it just so, like, it can come on land. It's sort of very creepy. It sort of looked like a weird version of an alligator. But
It looks like a hot dog tadpole.
Yeah.
honestly, I really jacked this one up. But oh, sorry.
These are some shell fossils from the Dorset coast. This one is like a present day scallop kind of thing. And this one, I'm not even trying to say the name, but it's like a present day sand dollar. And then there's that one. And we also did some plant fossils. These ones are Carboniferous fossil plants. And this one is an extinct fern, type of fern.
Good job. Well, thank you. I will take your guys' posters. Is everyone's named on them?
That's on
And
one.
now you all have a sticky note at the table that looks hot pink. So you gotta write one fun fact that you learned today, either from the lesson or a poster. Whatever you wanna do. And this is your exit ticket, so make sure.
Make sure you have your names on it, please. And when you're done, hold it in the air.
Oh.
Okay. Good job, Zia. Fourth graders.